Well, it's a beautiful morning. Is it really a beautiful morning? Yes, it is. How you doing? It's Max. I'm here. What's going on? Thank you for watching so far. Well, this is the first part of the video, so you're going to see this. Unless you clicked off already. Damn it. Sometimes y'all do that. I'm going to go pick up a part for a broken refrigerator. Our refrigerator's been down for like a week. Can you believe I'm just thinking about, why don't I just try to repair it? And doing a YouTube video search, I learned that it's very simple to replace this part. So, I'm going to go pick up the part now, and you're invited. It's also National Pizza Party Day. Yeah, I just found out today. No time to plan. Let's go. It looks like we made it. It looks like we made it. I gotta get a new one of these. Ow. I called them ahead of time, so they should be in stock. Where's the business employees only? Okay. They have a drive-through at the auto. Man, they must do a ton of business. Oh. If I would have paid attention, I would have seen the doors over here. Well, it didn't work. Well, it hasn't started to cool yet anyway. It's only been on for a couple minutes, so I'm going to give it a little time. But I might be going back to the stove to get a thermostat. Alright, well, I'm going to look at the part number and see what happens. Yeah, I'm still using my iPhone. I gotta go back, but I really don't want to, but the fridge still doesn't work. I gotta go back and get myself a thermostat, cause the one is burned up. Eddie Money, sound familiar? No? Alright. Eddie Money, look him up. I wanna go back, but I don't wanna go back to the place to get this part, cause it costs $100. I'm gonna spend like $160 on this fridge today. Might as well buy a new one. What am I doing sitting here? I gotta go. I can see if you had a thermostat.
Sure.
I have a. That's what it looks like. And I had the name wrong. Thank goodness I knew what I was talking about as far as physical description, because the first part, it was not the one. So I showed him a picture of it, and he was like, "Oh, you freaking idiot! That's the cool control," something like that. So good thing he's smarter than me when it comes to appliances. But the guy next to him was like laughing at me like that. I should have recorded it, but you know, people don't like to be on camera. Yeah, he was like, "Oh, that's the cool control," and the guy next to him was like, and looked at me, and I was like, I don't know. How was I fucking supposed to know? Okay. No more BS. Let's get some BS done.